Alright, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Now this is from the James Bond collection. It came in the normal Zippo black box. And it says on it, James Bond, Russian Khan. And it does have the 007 registered trademark on the insert. And you can visit the 007store.com. So here is the Zippo, and it is actually the Italian poster for From Russia with Love. One of my favorite James Bond movies. I think it came out in 1963. And this is 007 Dalla Russia con Amore. That's the Italian for From Russia with Love. And one of the cool things about this movie was that he takes on a helicopter with an AR-7 style collapsible rifle, which is really cool. He does bring down that helicopter with that little bitty, I think it's a 22. They might have said it was a 32. That's one of the better scenes. So this is a brushed chrome finish, and it was made in K of 18. That's late this year. I think that is, let's see, well, last year, that is November of last year, so it's not too old. Really good stampings on this. It's got a steel insert, lights up nice. So that's where James Bond goes after the Lecter code breaker. I think that's what it was. It's a good movie. This is going to be a good one for my collection. Let's do a drop test on this Bond lighter. A lit drop test. Okay, it passes the drop test nicely. That'll go in my collection next to, I have a few James Bond Zippos and one Russian commemorative Zippo. And they definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.